Hey there, my name is Glenn, so I'm here to show you around School of Computing. Let's go! As a computing student, you get to enjoy fully air-conditioned study spaces. At SOC, our printing services are 24/7, so you do not have to wait for the outside libraries to be open, and also you do not need to pay for additional printing services. And lastly, every printing also comes with a cover sheet, and my personal hack is to use this as a rough paper for me to take down notes during lectures. So if you are feeling hungry or you just need a break from studying, you can just visit the OMO Store. So the OMO Store is a 24/7 unmanned convenience shop. So this store also works by having a fully cashless payment system, and every product has their own RFID tag to it. Instead of scanning each item individually, all you need to do is simply put all the items into the scanner. If you are too lazy to visit the canteen or the OMO store, you can just simply check out this vending machine here.
There are also other food spots like Cool Spot.